My beautiful viewers. I hope you all are doing great and are doing something to improve yourself in your daily life. And welcome back to this channel, Vicky the Guider. If you're new here, subscribe right now. I would love to see that. This video is for the whom sick people or just because of any reason they cannot go out to learn this language or there's no anyone around them or there's no any coaching or or they have no that much money to afford, but still they can start their English journey being at home in this easy process. So no coaching, just smart practice. No coaching, no fees, no time, no more time consumption, nothing. Just follow the process and enjoy your learning things. So don't need, I would say, expensive coaching and don't need native friends. All you need is your voice. Yes, all you need is your voice and your mind and a little bit of daily effort, and your English will start flowing like magic. So, first, I will tell you the mirror game. What is mirror game? So, let me start with the mirror game. Every morning, look into the mirror and speak 5 sentences about yourself in English. For example, my name is Vicky. You can say into the mirror, in front of the mirror, that my name is Vicky. I live in Patna. I love playing Free Fire. So you can say these as I said, 3 sentences like my name is Vicky, living in Patna. I love playing Free Fire. Actually, I don't play games like this Free Fire games, but I told you just for the sake of learning purpose. I told you it builds confidence if you do this, and you become your own English partner. So it might be making you feel awkward that when I go in front of the mirror, I just get stuck. Yeah, you will get stuck, but you won't get stuck if you do a little bit of practice for this. And the second you have to do is audio diary. Audio diary means keep an audio diary, like every night what you have to do is record 1 minute of your speaking about your day. For example, what you can say your own sentences, just I'm giving you some examples, that what you can say, like, what did you do today? Right, you can give some answers, like what did you do today, what did you eat, then listen to it whatever you recorded. You'll notice your mistakes and fix them naturally over time while listening your mistakes or the audio you recorded. And third, copy and repeat method you have to do, and this one is actually fun for you to do it. Pick any English word you love, maybe a movie clip. English word means I would say English video you love, and maybe a movie clip or a YouTuber, and copy the way they talk. Pause the video, repeat the sentence, copy the tone, emotions, and speed. However, they are speaking, you just have to notice that, observe that, and speak like them. You'll sound more natural every day if you follow this. And text to talk, next one. Text to talk. Turn your reading into speaking. Take short WhatsApp messages, memes, news headlines, and read them out loud in English. Don't just read silently, but you have to speak it loud. That's the only way to make your brain talk in English. And the last tip is talk to a robot. Robot means ChatGPT. I'll tell you in this video that practice with AI tools. You can practice this with AI tools like Chat GPT, or your phone assistant like Google Assistant. You can ask simple questions like what's the weather, what or tell me a joke in English. You're speaking and learning without judgment and judgment or pressure, like when you are speaking with these robots. So these robots will not judge you, obviously won't judge you, but if you are asking anything or if you are doing conversation, it will definitely help you. And you can remove your loneliness, and while removing your loneliness, you will utilize this time into productive things, right? So I would say in the end of this video that, see, uh, your home is your best English classroom if you can go out. And you don't need to travel or spend money, but just create English moments every day at your home. As I told you, the tips, if you follow, you don't need to go outside for this to learn this language, but you can start this with your home. And here's your challenge for the next 7 days. Use at least two of these tricks I told you, and you have to do it every day, at least two of these tricks, and drop me a comment that you are ready to accept this. And if you really like this video, so subscribe, like and share with your friends and family members who are in need to learn this language. And tell me one thing in the comment box, that which tip will you try first. I would love to read your comment and tell you that what next we can do together to improve this speaking skills. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.